Redeeming AMC tickets online is simple and convenient. There are several platforms you can use to book your movie tickets and apply promotional codes. You have multiple options for booking AMC tickets online. You can use the official AMC website, the mobile app, or third-party platforms. The AMC website and mobile app offer the most direct booking experience with full access to AMC Stubs benefits. Third-party platforms like Fandango and Atom Tickets also support AMC theater bookings. The booking process follows 5 main steps. First, you select your theater location and preferred showtime. Next, you choose your preferred seats using the interactive seating chart. You can select from different seat types, including premium formats like IMAX and accessibility options. The seating chart shows available seats in real time, with different colors indicating seat types and availability. Premium seats and accessibility options are clearly marked. During checkout, you can enter your promotional code in the designated promo code field to apply discounts to your tickets. If you're an AMC Stubs member, apply your membership during checkout for additional discounts and rewards points. The loyalty program integrates seamlessly with the booking process. Premium formats like IMAX and Dolby Cinema are available for selection, offering enhanced viewing experiences with special pricing. Finally, complete the payment for any remaining balance after discounts are applied. You'll receive your digital tickets via email or directly in the mobile app. Remember to check your promotional code's expiration date and terms before attempting to redeem it. Digital tickets are delivered instantly and can be scanned directly from your mobile device at the theater. Smart AMC moviegoers can save significantly by combining multiple discount strategies. The key is stacking different types of savings opportunities together. Take advantage of discount days like Tuesdays and matinee showings. Many AMC locations offer special Tuesday pricing, and afternoon shows are typically cheaper than evening screenings. Consider using credit cards that offer bonus rewards for entertainment purchases. The AMC Entertainment Visa card, for example, provides special benefits for frequent moviegoers. The shift to digital booking has been dramatic. Currently, 78% of all AMC tickets are purchased online, with 62% of those bookings completed through the mobile app. Even with the best planning, you might encounter issues when booking tickets online. Here are the most common problems and their solutions. Issue number 1, expired promotional codes. Always double-check the expiration date and terms before attempting to use any promo code. Many codes have specific restrictions or limited time validity. Issue number 2, technical glitches during booking. If the website or app isn't working properly, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different booking method. Issue number 3, seat selection problems due to high demand. Popular movies and showtimes fill up quickly, so booking early is your best strategy for getting preferred seats. Finally, always be aware of AMC's refund and cancellation policies, especially when using promotional tickets. Some discounted tickets may have different refund terms than regular priced tickets. By combining these saving strategies and knowing how to handle common issues, you can enjoy more movies while spending less money. The key is preparation, flexibility, and taking advantage of all available discounts.